Anything in particular you'd like to do for the intro of the video? No, nothing? Okay, we'll just roll with it.
I need somebody to wake at the beast and really get under my skin. I need somebody to push me, tell me that I ain't no good with the pen. I need somebody to poke and pry and really get into my head. I need somebody to laugh, tell me I'm trash, tell me I might as well quit. I need somebody to grab the blade in my back, stab and give it a twist. I need somebody to smash, break up my plaques, tell me I shouldn't exist. I need somebody to ask why you even rap, you never be one of the ay. I need somebody to brag and show me the cash and tell me you'll never be rich. I need somebody with stats and numbers and facts, tell me I ain't got no hits.
Control? Okay, just give it like half throttle and I'll toss it, okay? There you go. You're good. You're good. You're good. Okay, just let off, yeah. Oh good, it's not gonna crash in the pond. Yeah, just let go of, yep, we're in a tree. What have you done? We'll be able to get it back, it's not that high. Trying to fly the flight test pterosaur that's recommended for like 2 or 3 mile an hour winds and about 25 mile an hour winds, so that's what happens. Oh there, it's starting to come down already. Might have to go get a line and a weight to throw up there and kind of jiggle it loose. Wind is picking up so much it might just blow out of there on its own. That'd be cool. Man, it's gotta be blowing at least 35 right now. Yeah, don't give it throttle right now because one of the motors might be stuck on a branch. You haven't driven on the crawler course before, have you?
No.
Anything you want to say to the millions of people watching?
Subscribe.
Subscribe again? Okay.
And like.
And like? Okay.
Ooh. This looks fun.
That thing crawls super good though. Makes even hard spots pretty good.
Oh, dang it. hard.
Yeah, that part is hard.
Oh.
If you stay just a little bit more to the left side, you kind of put your front wheel on that rock and then it stays on there. See, it's still, my truck's getting hung up too. There you go. Then if you want to climb up around this tree, we can do that too.
Yeah.
Just stay tight to the tree.
Did you make this?
Yeah.
Is the one I've dragged supposed to be like a buggy?
Yeah, it's called a rock bouncer. I'll give you a little bit of a push. There you go. That's kind of the hardest spot, I think, what you just went over. I'm trying to get up there too so I can push you. There we go.
Yeah, what do I do?
You're good. Just stay up against a tree and you'll be fine. Where you can see it better. That's probably the hardest part of the whole thing, where you just went through. That's what I usually do too, is go up there, then you can see better. You're good.
Ah, how did you?
Climbing the tree is better than falling off the edge. I left those gaps in there on purpose to make it harder.
That gap was even like that hard.
Yeah. That one's like the perfect size for this.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one's real big.
And then when we get over to that chicken wire, that thing won't make it down it. Neither will this. It'll just kind of flip down it. You can take anything over it, really. I've taken small ones over it too.
Like even on like one tire.
Yeah. Don't worry about walking in front of the camera, it's fine. And you made it through there easy. And then you can either go back up or keep going this way is where the course goes.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, good.
Good job. Yeah, that thing just makes easy work of a lot of these things that are harder for other rigs. I was trying to go up right here.
Rocks fall down through somewhere.
Yeah.
Mine probably won't get.
It can. This is harder because it's bigger.
Have you tried all your crawlers on this one?
Actually, not sure. Probably. I mean, over the years, I've had this course here for a few years working on it. High centered.
Can you give me a little push?
Oh, you got it. Popped off.
Watch out.
Nice job. I got a rake up here. There's a lot of limbs in the way now.
Even the one on first gear, it's pretty fast.
Yeah, you gotta be real easy on the trigger. It kind of just jerks around. Oop.
Come on.
Nice job. This one, I don't know if it'll make it down that. It's kind of, yeah, it's just gonna fall off.
Crushed you.
Yeah. This is a hard corner to make with bigger rigs too.
Yeah, I don't think you're right.
You can do it, but it's tough. Oh, you got it, no problem. Yep.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put the
Yeah, just set it up there.
heavy.
It probably weighs about 10 pounds. This is a tough corner too, it's real tight. Pretty good at that.